Alright guys, we're at Francis Lake today. It's Saturday 21 August. Instead of a fishing pole in hand, we are gonna go out here and we are gonna earn our right to fish today by picking up an hour's worth of trash. So I don't know if there's an hour's worth of trash here. This is one of my favorite little places. This is like a 40-mile drive for me to get over here, so I've been wanting to do something like this for a while, but today's gonna be the day, and I don't know why I picked like the hottest day of the year, but that's what we're doing. So we have our trusty little gloves. I forgot my little trash gripper, so we're gonna be kind of limited, but we're gonna try to do the right thing now. Please know that I'm not a goody two-shoes. I don't pretend to be, and I'm do plenty of heinous stuff in my life, but I just feel like this is something that I want to do today before we go fishing. But this styrofoam and plastic plastic water bottles have been the biggest culprit so far. Alright guys, so we should have brought, like I said earlier, the Durango and some more bags, but we spent probably half hour. Yeah, we picked up what we could. Mainly, if it's biodegradable, I don't pick it up. I just let it do whatever it needs to do. But anything that can take a good while to decompose, like plastic bottles and styrofoam and crap like that, we got a pretty substantial bag here. It's about 15 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this little bit of trash here, since it's right by this trash can that is kind of overflowing, and I'm just going to leave this tied up right by it. I don't think there's anything in here that's really going to attract an animal. Everything is pretty well been on the water's edge for a while. Yeah, so I'm going to tie it up nice and neat. Alright, so put this right next to the little... So the recyclable bin is right there, and all these recyclables are in this trash can too. Anyway. Alright, so we're good. Let's go over here and fish. Oh, we got one. Got a good one too. Nice. Nice. On our little Zoom bluegill. The paddle tail swim bait. Yep. There. Nice little pounder. Oops, sorry dude. Alright, so that's number one for us. Let's get our thing lined up again. Oh guys, we got a good one here, I think. Not too good. It scared the heck out of me though. So our tailless, about another little pounder or so. I thought it was a big one, the way it hit. Yep. Yeah, too bad. Maybe 3/4 of a pound. Yeah, look at this. Like something happened over here where the stuff got cleared out a little bit. Ooh, fuck! Look at that spider. That guy. I don't know if I want to be close to him. Yeah, that thing is real. I almost put my hand on him. And then we have a snake right over here. This is kind of an interesting night. Look at that. I think that's a Texas water snake. Yeah. Pretty good size one though. Probably almost 3 feet. Of course, they might be wanting something fast, so who knows? Whoa. There's a bass that just shot over here. It's about their feeding time, all these, I think. Oh, here comes one. There we go. Got him. Yep. We've seen him come over. We've seen him come over with the wake. Yep. Little pounder. Got one. Ooh. Nice. There we go. Let's get a pounder again. Nice little pounder again on the trick worm. So I guess coming over here and picking up a little bit of trash was Mother Nature like that. Yeah. There we go. Little acrobat. And that mouse one's a little bit smaller. Little acrobat though. That's a second one today that I hooked on the bottom. Yep. Alright, so that's 2 for our... Oh, there's another one of those damn spiders. Yeah, it's right there. This one's different colored looking though. If you walk into him, that is going to ruin your day. I'm trying to... But there he is. Pretty cool. Got him. Oh, he threw our worm. Dang it. Hey, probably the biggest one we caught today. About the same. Yeah, about the same. Oop, I slipped.